Hello everyone. In this video I will show you 5 simple Google Sheets formulas that can save you time and make your work easier. Here's the first formula. Min. Finds the smallest number in a range. Type this formula. This will give you the lowest value from the list. Now the second formula. Max. Finds the largest number in a range. Type this formula. This will return the highest value from the list. Here's the third formula. Count. Tells you how many cells have numbers. Type this formula. It counts only numeric values, not text. Now the fourth formula. If. Checks a condition and returns a value if it's true or false. Type this formula. This will mark a student as pass or fail based on the score. And finally the fifth formula. Trim. Removes extra spaces from text. Type this formula. It cleans up messy data and keep only single spaces between words. These 5 formulas are perfect for beginners in Google Sheet. Try them out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.